Okay, on Capcut, if you want to have a different format, if you're posting for YouTube, or if you're posting for TikTok, or if you're posting for Reel, any of these social media postings, all you have to do is check the size of the one you're doing, so it's not bigger than your screen. Just come down here, go to format, 9:1:16 YouTube. Then for the horizontal posting is 16:9. Other 1:1, 4:3, and the rest is for other social media. But for YouTube is 9:16. So once I click on it like this, it turns green. Once it turns green, you know that you can easily use it for YouTube. Posting on YouTube for shorts, I use 9:16, and that's all for today. Thank you.